Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in Capybara Go. So this works in 2025. So just go to ogsnags.com and you're going to see all these different coupons and stuff and like promo codes. So just type in Capybara, and as you can see, it says Capybara Go codes. So free gems, guys. So what we need to do is go ahead and press show coupon code and wait for it to load. So once it loads, we just need to go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to bring us to a new page where we're actually going to get the code. So we just have to answer one of these questions about what do we like about shopping on Amazon. You can pick any of the three. So let's just do one of them. And then we got to enter our email. So make sure you guys put in an email address that you can regularly access, because they are going to send the code to this email. So as you can see, it says activating your reward. So next step is going to be a fill out. So you got to fill out all your information, guys. So make sure you go ahead and fill this out. So let me just go ahead and enter it right here. As you can see, so I'm just going to answer all this. All right, this is very important because they don't just willy-nilly give out these Capybara Go codes. You got to be ready. You got to be legit. So let me just do this right here, as you can see. All right, and now we are done. Just got to put in my state. All right, so now we are going to do the survey. This part kind of sucks, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, we got the survey right here. So let's just go ahead and answer all the questions that they're asking. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right, so yeah, I'm just doing the survey. Pretty simple. So yeah, if you guys have done surveys in the past, you probably know how to do this. So let's just wait for it to load, and then we're done, bro. So the final step is pretty straightforward. Let's just wait for this to load. Just answering all these. All right, so let's just finish up. All right, so there we go. So anyway, guys, I'm almost done with the survey. All right, so then at the end, press I agree and continue, and then it might bring you to a new page where it tells you that you did everything. So let's just wait for that to load up, as you can see. And we'll just press no thanks, and let's press no thanks again. And then as you can see, it's going to say like everything is done. So yeah, survey done, optional offers finished. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.